Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a logo with Canva. First, you need to open your browser and go to canva.com. And if you don't have an account here, you can sign up. But if you have, then click login and log in to your account. Then you can see now the home page of canva.com. So to make a logo, click on the search tab and search logo. Then click sample logo. And here in the logo section, you can see lots of templates to make a logo using Canva. There are paid logos, but we're gonna choose here the free logo template here and click customize this template. Now you can edit your logo template and make a logo using Canva. So to download the logo, just click the share at the upper right corner of your screen, then scroll down until you see download and download your logo. So that's how to make logo with Canva. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.